We are now ready for the demonstration, and this is the servo. It's going to pull the cable. At the same time, it's going to control the switch to switch off the engine at any given time. It's commanded to do so. So it's the practical. So I'll show you a setting whereby even if you pull the throttle to 0, it won't switch off the engine unless you use a switch. So you come to your transmitter and activate the throttle hold button. It's on, value at 0%, there's no problem. I'll also show you another setting whereby you'll activate the switch. You come to the throttle curve setting, set the lowest to 5 degrees, or at a point you'll feel like it's pushing the switch. Let's go to our display and see channel 3. At 0%, there's still a gap left here for the switch. If you push, it gets filled, and you see throttle control, power cutoff, power cutoff, throttle, power cutoff. Thank you for watching. More videos coming soon.